Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Risk Modeling Hub. If you are someone who wants to get into risk modeling, especially credit risk modeling, but don't know where to start, this video is your roadmap. I'll walk you through exactly how I would learn risk modeling from scratch in 2025, step by step, to land a job in this high demand field. The first thing I'll do is build my foundation. That means understanding what credit risk is and the different types of credit risk models like application scorecards, behavioral scorecards, and the ECL models under IFRS 9. Next, I would brush up on statistics. Focus on topics like distributions, regression, hypothesis testing, and metrics like Gini, AUC, and KS. At the same time, I would start learning Excel and then move to Python because it's widely used in risk analytics. I'll use libraries like Pandas, sklearn, and Matplotlib for model building and validation. Now that's the basic are strong, I would move on to the practical model building. First, I will build an application scorecard using logistic regression. I would learn how to select features, do binning, calculate WOE and IV, and build the model in Python. Then comes the exciting part, IFRS 9 based ECL model. That means learning how to calculate expected credit loss using PD, LGD, and EAD. I would study how to model PD using cohort or flow rate approaches, LGD using workout methods, and EAD with CCF models. I would also learn how to validate these models using metrics like AUC, KS, PSI, and do backtesting to check if the model predictions are realistic. By this time, I would have hands-on experience with the model development. Now it's time to understand the domain deeply. I'd learn about IFRS 9 and how banks decide stage 1, 2, or 3 loans. I'd also read about Basel 2 and 3, RWA calculations, and the difference between AIRB and FIRB. This is also when I would learn about model governance. That includes documentation, governance policies, model tiering, and internal audit guidelines like SR 11.7. This helps me become not just a modeler, but someone who can also validate and explain models confidently. Now it's time to build my personal brand and become job ready. For this, I'll create a GitHub portfolio showing an application scorecard, an ECL model, and a basic Streamlit dashboard. Then I would polish my resume and LinkedIn. I would use keywords like credit risk modeling, IFRS 9, scorecard development, model validation, and Python. After that, I would start applying to roles at banks, NBFCs, consulting firms, and fintechs. For interviews, I would practice answering questions like, how do you validate an ECL model? What's the difference between 12-month and lifetime PD? How would you handle multicollinearity in a scorecard? If I have extra time or want to stand out, I would learn a few bonus skills. I can prepare for the FRM Part 1 exam to boost my knowledge and resume. I can also learn Tableau or Power BI for monitoring dashboards. I can study basic AI/ML algorithms if I am applying to fintechs or challenger banks. These skills make you more versatile and open up roles in model monitoring and strategy teams too. To wrap up, here's what you will achieve if you follow this roadmap. Solid understanding of credit risk modeling, hands-on project portfolio in Python, resume ready for banks, NBFCs, fintechs, and consulting firms, confidence to crack interviews and build a long-term career in risk modeling. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Risk Modeling Hub. Also, let me know in the comments what stage of preparation are you at right now.